Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm taking out this Homde, basically garage shelf organizer. It's got comes with 3 shelves and 2 pegboards, so that's pretty cool. So if you're just starting out, need to, help organize your garage a little bit, this is not a bad way to do it. Right here we have our pegboard accessories. So this comes with a bunch of different things. Pegboards are super handy. You can change where you want your tools on there, different positions or whatever to match whatever kind of things you have. These are super heavy duty, so these are going to be our for our shelves. These are really solid feeling. This comes with, I believe, 4 of those, and these have the slots here in the middle. That's where our adjustable shelves are going to snap in there and hang in place. They're going to be able to hold quite a bit of weight. You get these screwed into studs. These are going to be super solid, I believe. And then it comes with 6 of these. So yeah, this is 15.75 inches wide. If your studs are 16 on center, basically you should be able to screw these right into your studs. So these come with these nice little triangle portions here. How this is going to work is this is just going to snap right on there like that, and that's going to be really, these are super solid. If I can get it off of there, yeah, there we go, just like that. So these can hold a lot of weight. I'm not exactly sure the maximum amount that these can hold, but if they're screwed into if these are screwed into a stud, I would venture at least 100 pounds. That was loud. Okay, no problem at all. So there's 2 more right there. Get my stuff on my shelf there a little bit more. Also comes with these nice little kind of installation instructions. These are kind of really a no-brainer, really. And I'm going to be setting it up for you guys too, so you can see kind of how to do it. Not only that, then we have these nice little wire shelves here. So these are going to go on top of those. Really good. All right, these are nicely wrapped here. So there's one, just nice black shelving there. That just looks pretty solid. And another one there. And we have our last one right here. All right, now we have our pegboard as well. Okay, good wrapping on these. Definitely some packaging helps any damage on transit. Oh, this is kind of a neat looking pegboard. I've never really seen one like this before. Huh. All the other pegboard I've seen has been like literally has these nice little corner protectors, but kind of like wooden type stuff. I like this. I can't tell if this is like an acrylic or like some kind of like a heavy plastic, but that's pretty cool. That's some solid feeling pegboard there. That's like legit. Okay, so there's 2 of those also. I like that. The ones I have in my garage are like kind of a wooden one. So yeah, not as, this really actually feels a lot sturdier than what I have in the garage currently. So that's what, probably 1/4 inch thick there. Let me see, get my little, yeah, that's 1/4 inch thick pegboard there. So that seems really solid. So we're gonna go out in the garage, set this up, show you guys how to just put some of my extra tools and stuff on there like that, and just really handy. Let's go do it. Well, my friends, there we go. So have it on right there. I was able to show, like, we got all kinds of stuff we can put on here. These shelves are sturdy. My pegboard's working nice, holds lots of tools on there. You can put my my reciprocating saw or my on there. I'm going to try to hang my my blower and everything from here, or maybe from the bottom of this rack, just so it's kind of out of the way. Get it right next to the wall here. But I think it really cleaned up the space. If you had seen what I had up here before, you guys would be like, wow, that's so much better. So a little bit of time to install. Just mindful of where your studs are and things like that. But I think it turned out really good. This is super sturdy. Don't have any things or ideas that this might fall off there. I think it looks really nice. Like the black color. This seems like, of all the pegboards I've seen, this is definitely the strongest one. I like how these like fit right in there. You don't need anything. I'm gonna show you guys my other pegboard real quick, just so you can see kind of what it's like. So previously, like this wooden stuff, a lot of times the clips, you have to have little clips to hold them on there. You pull them off, the clip comes off with it. So not as sturdy, not as thick. I've had those like kind of tear open on me and stuff like this. Not like I'm gonna get here with this plastic, thick plastic. It looks really cool and super sturdy. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.